In multi-agent systems, security is critical to ensuring that communication remains confidential, authentic, and tamper-proof. This is typically achieved through encryption techniques and the use of secure communication channels, which protect data in transit from eavesdropping, manipulation, or unauthorized access. Equally important is the establishment of trust between agents. This can be implemented using digital certificates, which verify the identity and legitimacy of agents, much like ID badges in a secure facility. Additionally, reputation systems may be employed to track agent behavior over time, enabling others to evaluate trustworthiness based on past performance or peer feedback. Together, these mechanisms create a secure foundation for autonomous collaboration, ensuring that agents can share sensitive information, coordinate actions, and make decisions with confidence in the integrity of their counterparts. Implementing robust security and trust frameworks is essential for building resilient and credible agent-based systems, particularly in open or high-stakes environments where reliability is non-negotiable. In secure agent communication protocols, authentication and authorization are two foundational mechanisms that safeguard system integrity. Authentication verifies an agent's identity, comparable to presenting a badge at the entrance of a secure facility. It ensures that only legitimate agents participate in the communication network, preventing impersonation and unauthorized access. Authorization, on the other hand, defines what an authenticated agent is allowed to do, akin to assigning specific access levels within a building. While one agent may have permission to read data, another may be authorized to modify or delete it. This mechanism ensures that agents operate strictly within their designated roles and privileges, reducing the risk of unintended or malicious actions. Together, these mechanisms protect agent-based systems by enforcing access control, limiting the scope of agent operations, and ensuring that only trusted, authenticated agents engage in communication and task execution. Implementing robust authentication and authorization is essential for maintaining security, accountability, and trust in distributed, autonomous environments. In secure agent communication, data integrity and confidentiality are essential principles that protect the reliability and privacy of information exchange. Data integrity ensures that messages remain unaltered during transmission. Akin to delivering a sealed envelope, any tampering can be detected and rejected. Techniques such as cryptographic hashes and digital signatures help verify that the content received matches what was originally sent. Confidentiality, meanwhile, protects messages from unauthorized access, ensuring that only the intended recipients can read the content. This is achieved through encryption, which functions like placing a message in a locked safe. Only those with the correct key can unlock and interpret it. Together, integrity and confidentiality maintain the security and trustworthiness of agent communication. They prevent data breaches, eavesdropping, and message forgery, risks that are especially critical in autonomous systems where agents operate and make decisions based on exchanged information. Implementing these safeguards is vital for building resilient, private, and trustworthy multi-agent environments, particularly in open or high-risk networks. Trust is a critical component of reliable interaction in multi-agent systems, functioning much like trust in human relationships. It encourages cooperation, reduces conflict, and promotes system stability. Trust among agents is built through a combination of consistent behavior, reputation tracking, and verification protocols. Agents that demonstrate predictable, honest, and successful interactions over time build credibility, encouraging others to engage with them. Reputation systems aggregate past interactions, allowing agents to assess the reliability of peers before initiating communication or collaboration. These systems are particularly valuable in open or dynamic environments where new agents frequently enter the network. Verification protocols, such as authentication and digital certification, add a formal layer of trust by ensuring agents are who they claim to be and are authorized to perform specific actions. Together, these mechanisms foster a communication environment where agents can interact with confidence, reducing the need for redundant checks and enhancing overall system efficiency and resilience. Untrusted communication in multi-agent systems presents significant risks, including security breaches, misinformation, and system instability. When agents cannot verify the authenticity or reliability of their peers, the potential for malicious actions such as data manipulation, impersonation, or unauthorized access increases substantially. These vulnerabilities can compromise the entire system, especially in environments where agents operate autonomously and make decisions based on shared information. Even a single unverified or malicious agent can introduce errors, disrupt workflows, or trigger unintended behaviors across the network. Establishing mutual trust among agents is therefore essential. It ensures that interactions are genuine, secure, and purposeful, enabling agents to cooperate efficiently and make accurate decisions. Trust mechanisms, such as authentication, encryption, and reputation systems, play a central role in safeguarding communication channels. By mitigating risks and reinforcing confidence in peer behavior, trust enhances the reliability and resilience of autonomous systems, forming the backbone of secure and effective agent collaboration. Securing agent communication protocols at scale presents unique challenges, particularly as systems expand to include large numbers of autonomous agents. Ensuring security without compromising performance becomes increasingly complex, requiring efficient mechanisms that maintain integrity and confidentiality across high-volume interactions. One key aspect is dynamic trust evaluation, which involves real-time monitoring and assessment of agent behavior. Trust models must be capable of adapting quickly to changes in behavior, identifying potential threats, re-evaluating relationships, and adjusting permissions as needed without manual oversight. Equally important is the need to balance strong security protocols with agent autonomy. Overly rigid controls may hinder agent flexibility and responsiveness, while too much freedom can expose the system to risks. Effective security in ACPs must allow agents to operate independently while still enforcing authentication, authorization, and data protection measures. These challenges highlight the intricacy of securing scalable ACPs in practical environments. Addressing them requires adaptive architectures, intelligent trust models, and efficient protocol designs that ensure both robustness and responsiveness in real-world applications.